Good morning, students. Time is the ongoing sequence of events taking place. The basic unit of time is seconds. There are also minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years. We can measure time using clock. Students, today we are going to learn about time. Sun gives us light. When the sun rises in the sky, it is morning. When the sun is just overhead, it is noon or midday. The time after midday is called afternoon. When the sun sets at the end of the day, it is evening. The time from sunrise to sunset is day. The time from sunset to sunrise is night. A day and a night together make a complete day and it is called a solar day. दिन hours means घंटों में मेजर किया जाता है because hours is also unit of time. यानी दिन का छोटे से छोटा पल भी टाइम में मेजर होता है. Clock are used to measure time. A day is divided into hours. Hours are divided into minutes and minutes are divided into seconds. Clocks and watches tell us the time in hours, minutes and seconds. Most clocks measure 12 hours. In one day, there are 24 hours. In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes and in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. The earth goes round the sun. To complete one round, it takes 365 and 1/4 days. This period is called a year. We generally say that a year has 365 days. हमारी जो अर्थ है, पृथ्वी है, वो सूरज के अराउंड यानी गोल चक्कर काटती है और एक राउंड कंप्लीट करने के लिए अर्थ को 365 एंड 1/4 डेज लग जाते हैं. तब जाकर 1 ईयर कंप्लीट होता है एंड उसी पीरियड को हम लोग ईयर कहते हैं. Once in a 4 years, the year has 366 days. This is called a leap year. A leap year is exactly divisible by 4. 4 सालों के बाद लीप ईयर आता है और उस लीप ईयर में 366 डेज होते हैं. A year has 12 months. We know that some months have 30 days and some have 31 days. February has 28 days. In a leap year, February has 29 days. एक साल में 12 महीने होते हैं और हमें पता है कि कुछ महीने 30 दिन के होते हैं और कुछ महीनों में 31 दिन भी होते हैं. जब लीप ईयर होता है तब फरवरी में 29 डेज होते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, वी नो द मंथ्स ऑफ द ईयर एंड यू नो दैट जनवरी, मार्च, मई, जुलाई, अगस्त, अक्टूबर एंड दिसंबर, इनमें 31 डेज होते हैं और अप्रैल, जून, सितंबर एंड नवंबर में 30 डेज होते हैं और फरवरी में 28 डेज होते हैं. जब लीप ईयर होता है तब फरवरी में 29 डेज होते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, इन अ ईयर there are 365 days. In a one leap year, there are 366 days. In a 1 year, there are 12 months. And in a 1 month, there are 30 or 31 days. In a 1 week, there are 7 days. And to complete a 1 year, there are 52 weeks needed. Now students, we will solve worksheet number 10. Question number A. Fill in the blanks. First number sentence is, when the sun rises, it is dash dash. Correct answer is morning. When the sun rises, it is morning. Second fill up is, when the sun sets, it is dash dash. The correct answer is evening. When the sun sets, it is evening. Third number fill up is, time after midday is dash dash. Correct answer is afternoon. Time after midday is afternoon. And fourth number fill up is, the time from sunset to sunrise is dash dash. The time from sunset to sunrise is night. Now take a B part of worksheet. Write true or false. First sentence is, a day and a night together make a complete day. This sentence is true. Second number sentence is, the sun goes around the earth. This sentence is false. Third number, a leap year has 366 days. Sentence is true. And last, fourth number sentence is, the time from sunrise to sunset is called a solar day. This sentence is false. Let us take a C part. Take the correct answer. First number sentence is, total months with 31 days in a year are. Three options are 5, 6 or 7. The correct option is 7. So put the tick mark there. Second number sentence is, total months with 30 days in a year are. Options are 4, 5 or 6. So correct option is 4. Third number sentence is, in a leap year, February has. Three options are there, 28 days, 29 days and 31 days. So correct option is 29 days. Students, you will get the question answers in PDF form. So till the next period, take care of yourself. Goodbye. Thank you.